Alright guys, so in today's video I'm about to show you all how to actually make your first $100 online from home and basically anywhere with a Wi-Fi connection. Now with that being said, let's jump right into today's video. Let's go. Hey, what's up everybody, welcome back to another video. If you guys are new to the channel, hit the subscribe button for me, thank you so very much. Now with that being said, let's jump straight into today's video. Let's go. Alright guys, so here we are, we're going over a step-by-step plan on how to actually make your first $100 from home online. And if you guys already know how to make a few $100 online, then well, I guess just stay around, get some new ideas. Yeah. However guys, a quick disclaimer, this video is more geared towards those who can't get a job just quite yet. Maybe you're too young, or maybe your parents don't want you getting a job yet, or simply maybe you guys just want to make some extra cash on the side. So either ways guys, that is basically what we're going to be doing today. Enough talking, let's jump straight into today's plan. Let's go. So the very first thing we have here is passive apps. Now you guys want to go ahead and actually click that link in the description and you guys will be taken to an app called Lucky Miner. Now it's very important that you use that link because you guys will be getting 25% of my earnings, and yes, that is a nice earnings boost right there. And it's very simple to use this app. All you have to do is actually download a few sponsor apps and then run it, and it is basically passive guys. All you have to do is click that run button or play button, same thing, and then boom, there you go. You plug in your phone, leave it be, simple as that. Now this would be best if you could do this on an old phone, but let's just say if you don't have an old phone, then I guess you'll have to use your personal phone. Also, this app will only work on Android devices. Now quick disclaimer guys, you will have to continuously run this app on your phone, so if you are worried about having your battery drain, then maybe this isn't the best idea. But if you guys do really need the cash, or if you just really want it, then feel free to go ahead and actually run this app. Because yeah, I mean, it shouldn't drain your battery too much, but yes, you will be having your phone plugged in and turned on all night. So that is why I recommend using a old phone for this app. But if you guys don't really have that, then I guess personal phone will have to do, right? And yes guys, you can cash out to PayPal with this app, and you can make up to around $40 every single month. If you guys go ahead and actually use the link down below, you guys will get a sign up bonus and 25% of what I make on this app, which by the way, I got a bunch of offers right now, so I'm going to wait for you guys. Go ahead and click that link, download it up, and if you guys don't want to even run the app, that is totally fine. You guys can just keep the app on your phone and collect the 25% commission from me. So yeah guys, go ahead and click that link down below, sign up, and possibly make some money. So yeah, make sure you guys do that. Moving along, we got some websites and apps that you guys can use to actually make some cash on this side. Now these are survey sites / apps, but don't worry guys, don't click off just yet. I know everybody says it, surveys are the worst, and at most times they are. In fact, I did surveys for a day just to see how much we made, and yeah, that didn't go too well. If you guys want to check that out, go ahead and click that link above right now. It will bring you guys over to that video. So with surveys, most people portray them as, horrible, scammy, and all that, but I want to disagree on that. That's because so many people approach it the way you would approach a job. You would be working on it for hours on end and trying to make some money, right? But that's really not how you should be doing it. So with Leo Opinions, I know I promote them a lot, but that's because they are an awesome site guys. I'm telling you, they do pay. I made over $100 with Leo Opinions, and that's just doing it on my spare time, and not even really spare time. It's like when I even remember, so maybe twice a month. So how you would go about doing surveys is don't actually, grind for a whole hour trying to do surveys, because yeah, you'll make a little bit of money from that. So I do recommend checking on the survey sites, taking the surveys every like 2 days or 3 days. It's really up to you. If you want to earn more, go ahead, check in more oftenly. But for me, I make like 20 bucks a month from Leo Opinions, and that's doing it very casually. I'm sure I missed a bunch of surveys before. Same thing with QMe, and QMe is an app and a website at the same time, so it's really up to preference, I guess. Though I do find that you get more surveys that actually work on the app, so you might want to look into getting the app instead. Good thing about these, they're available on literally any device. You want to do it on an Apple device, feel free to. You want to do it on an Android device, it doesn't matter. Literally guys, you can access these using any device, well, as long as you have Wi-Fi, obviously. And with QMe, you can make about $10 a month as well, depending on how much you actually check it. So each survey ranges anywhere from like 25 cents all the way to like $2. So with Qme, you guys can go ahead and actually make $10 a month. Really depends on how much you check it, like I said. If you guys really grind, I guess you guys could make up to like 20 bucks or so every single month. But for me, I make about anywhere from $5 to $10 every month. Also guys, as always, link is in the description for you guys. Go ahead and just download or sign up using the link in the description. So moving along guys, we have cashback apps. Now technically you're not really making any money, but at the same time you are, if you understand what I'm saying. Basically guys, $1 saved is $1 earned. So first up we have Field Agent, which by the way, if you don't already know what this is, it's an app that pays you for simple tasks. Now the task that I love doing most is obviously scanning Costco receipts, because you know, who doesn't go to Costco, right? So with Field Agent you guys can actually get paid 50 cents for every receipt you scan. Obviously you guys can scan more than one receipt. So let's just say you get 3 individual Costco receipts, you could actually cash in $1.50 from that. Now for me, my parents always shop at Costco, so literally every week I can, you know, scan a free receipt and just get 50 cents for free. Maybe you guys shop at Costco, go ahead and actually scan your receipt and get your 50 cents every single week. Now if you guys really do want to max out your earnings, then yes, you can ask for a split order, or you know, when you basically go up to the cashier and ask them, hey, I want 2 separate receipts, can you put this on one bill and then this for the next one? So basically guys, if you split up your order, I don't know, if you guys just want to split it up by 2s, then yeah, you get $1 per trip that you go to Costco. It's really up to you. If you want to split it up for 3 times or maybe even 4 times, that's a bit much, but if you do that, you guys will get, I don't know, $1.50 to $2 every trip that you go. And yes guys, Field Agent cashes out to PayPal, so there you go. Moving along, we have Checkout 51, and this is also another cashback app that we've actually reviewed on the channel before. Now with Checkout 51, it's very simple. All you have to do is literally buy a product that is listed on the sponsored page. Meaning if you guys are, let's just say, buying shampoo and all of a sudden, boom, it's on the list, then you guys can go ahead and actually add it to your cashback list. And from there, once you actually check out, all you have to do is take a picture of the receipt. And there you go guys, that is some extra cash back on whatever you just bought. And with Checkout 51, you guys can earn up to around $15 depending on how many products you actually buy that's listed on there. Also, another side note is that Checkout 51 actually pays you through a check, so make sure you guys actually have your actual address on there and not just some random, you know, made up address. Next up we have CoinOut, a little bonus on the list. And yes, this app was available here in Canada, however they kind of revoked it and made it US only. But from my experience before they actually got rid of it from Canada, any of you guys from the US can still download it. All you have to do is literally scan a receipt. It can be any receipt. You can literally find a random receipt on the floor and be able to claim cash back on it. And it's very simple guys, you can scan up to 6 receipts every single day, and each time you can get between 1 cent all the way up to like 15 cents per receipt. And from my experience, you guys can actually make around $4.50 from scanning the receipts. And that is if you do it every day, so make sure you guys go ahead and do that. It shouldn't take very long at all. Next up we have other passive earners, and yes, these apps right here are fully passive. Literally you just download them, sign up, and leave them. Nothing else. And yes guys, it's very simple to use Honeygain. All you have to do is download it, sign up, and then you guys just open it up, have it run in the background while you're actually browsing or whatever you're doing. However guys, I do believe this app will stop working if you turn off your phone, so that's why I usually just put my phone to sleep when it's charging, not like fully powered off, just on sleep. And yes guys, you'll be making around $5 on Honeygain using one device only. Preferably you guys run it on 2, but if you only have 1, that is, I guess it is what it is, right? Also guys, they do pay out on PayPal, so yeah, that's nice. Next up we got Panel App, and Panel App is actually pretty much the same as Honeygain. The only difference with Panel App is it pretty much just pays you a little less than Honeygain, and I do believe you get around anywhere between $2 to $3 per month obviously. And obviously guys, all you have to do is literally have the app downloaded. Now the thing is, they don't actually have a PayPal option. Rather, they got gift cards, so you guys, if you're into that, you can get gift cards. The one I get is usually a prepaid Visa, which is pretty much like cash. But for that, you have to save up $5 in your account balance, and yeah. And lastly on our list right here, we got McMoney, which doesn't earn a lot, but you guys can have it downloaded, and all it does is it literally sends you a few texts. When you receive texts, then, well, you get paid a few cents each time. And from my experience, you make about $2 every single month just for having it downloaded. So I guess it's worth it. It's not really a hassle whatsoever. You just have it downloaded on your phone and you know, that's it. The minimum cash out for MC Money is $5 and yeah, they do pay out to PayPal. And also guys, a reminder, all the links will be in the description for your convenience. And yeah, so guys, if we go ahead and actually add everything up, we got $40 from Lucky Miner, and then we got $20 from Leo Opinions, which makes it $60 in total. Add another $10 for Qme, that is $70, and then we keep going obviously. Then we got Field Agent, which gives us another $5, meaning we got $75. Add another 15 for Checkout 51, and there you go, that is $90. Coin Out, which is optional because a few of you guys out there aren't from the US, but for those of you guys that are, that's another $4.50 every single month, which brings our total to $94.50. And finally, we got our passive earners. So if we go ahead and add in $5 for Honey Gain, that's $99.50. $3 more for Panel App, which is $102.50. And finally, MC Money, which gives you $2 every single month, and that is basically $104.50 every single month, guys. Now, if you're not from the US, CoinOut will not work for you, so that is exactly $100, guys. And here's the thing, even though it's not a lot of money, it's always better than nothing. But guys, it is enough to go ahead and actually start your first business, or at least try, I don't know, depending on what business you guys actually want to try. Or maybe you want to invest into yourself, buy a few books, buy a few courses, I don't know, maybe not courses. Or maybe you want to go ahead and actually take that $100 and turn it into something that makes you passive income every month, a phone farm. And if you guys are interested in phone farming or getting started with passive income, then go ahead and actually click that playlist. I'll be teaching you guys over there step by step how to actually start a phone farm and basically get a bunch of passive earnings every single month. But before you go, make sure you go ahead and smash the subscribe button if you haven't already. We're dropping brand new content every single week on finance videos and basically anything to do with making money online. So if that sounds good, go ahead and smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Until then, thank you so very much for watching. Peace out for now.